Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Deepseek app not working. So if you also want to fix Deepseek app not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if your Deepseek application is not working, there might be various reasons for that. The first reason might be because of your internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're not connected to a stable network, you might not be able to use the application. So make sure your internet connection is stable. If your internet connection is stable but still your application is not working, that might be because your application is not up to date. In that case, what you have to do is update your application. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here, what you have to do is search for Deepseek. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for Deepseek. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, it might be because of the cache of your application. In that case, what you have to do is go to the settings. Simply open settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find the option for apps, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the option see all apps. Now over here, you'll be able to see all of the applications. Simply search for the application Deepseek. Once you find the application for Deepseek, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Deepseek. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply search for the option storage and cache. Once you find it, tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. What you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now after that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application will start working. So that is how you fix Deepseek application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.